Welcome to lesson 18 of our terminal report system. So let's quickly look at how best we can link our Excel workbook to Microsoft Word for the generation of terminal report. So I'm going to go ahead to open the design for the report from our previous lesson. So this is what we did. So how do we get all the scores, the names of students into this particular sheet? Sorry, into this particular document. So what we're going to do is to use a feature called mail merge. So we go to mailings. So when you come to mailings, then we need to browse and look for our database. So you go to start mail merge, you come to select recipient, you click on it, then you say use an existing list. So this opens our select data source dialog box. So what you need to do is, I know where my Excel workbook is. It is in my terminal report from scratch folder. Then I will have my terminal report system, which is the Excel workbook. So once you click on it, automatically it opens. And you have all the worksheets you created. So we are dealing with terminal report TR. So this will be for terminal report 1. That is for first term. Then we can also do it for second term, third term, fourth term, and all of that. So we start with the TR1. I click on OK, and it will be connected to our Microsoft Word document. So you see all of these becomes active. So what you need to do is you click in the name field. So what am I entering here? I come, then I select name. That's it. What is admission number? Okay, I come. So the admission number can be the ID if you wish. Then I go to class or form. So you just need to go through it, class, then I select which house, then I come to house, then I come to the term we are dealing with. Okay, we don't have time in our database, so we would obviously have to include that later on. Okay, so I'll skip that. Then I come to number on row, which is the N on row. Then I'll come to gender. So you click on it. Where is gender? Okay, number on row, admission name, class. I don't think I have gender in there. So you have to go and create gender on RTR1 and replicate it for the remaining. Okay, so I think I'll have to deal with this. Okay, I don't have that. Then position in class. So number on row admission, I don't have position in class yet. Let me go down. So I just double click to quickly go through and see if I can find position in class. Normally it's in alphabetical order. Okay, aggregate here. Okay, rank in class, which is our what? Position in class. Good. And I click on close. Then I come to grand total. So I just click on it and look for it from the list. So where's my grand total? Grand total should be somewhere here. So grand total score for the student, I insert, then I click on close, class average mark. So you have to just take your time and insert these respective fields. Class average score. So I have my class average score, which is also inserted. Don't worry about it extending, because if I click on preview result, it will come back to its normal shape. Okay, then student average mark. So look for student average score. Okay, so that is also inserted. Okay, then we come to aggregate. So if it's SS, if it is B, C, you can still get the aggregate. I think the aggregate is somewhere, where is it? It's normally arranged in alphabetical. Yeah, aggregate. Yes, I have my aggregate here. Because in our development, we separated them. The best, maybe first, best three electives for the core, then the other one for the elective subjects. But if it is GHS, then you need not to go this particular route. Okay, insert, it is inserted. So I come to sub 1. So I click. So sub 130, I insert. So I insert sub 170, sub 100, sub 1 grade, sub 1 rank, sub 1 remark. So what I need to do is I come, shift to select, I'll cut it. Then I use the right arrow, I'll paste. Then I'll come again, do this, okay. I'll cut, then I'll paste. Then I'll do the same for I'll cut, I'll paste. So cut, then I'll paste. Come and select from there. No. So use the right arrow key, down arrow key, sorry. Cut. So that is okay, paste. So I need to okay. So what I'll do is this is the remark. This is the position. So what I'll do is I have to take this one from where it is now. Then I'll come and put it here. And I'll take this one off. Then I'll just come and do it this way. So sub 1 rank, which is position remarks. So I have to do the same for sub 2. So I'll come sub 2 at 30. It is inserted. Then I can do this way, sub 270. It comes subject 2, subject 200. It can be select subject 2 grade. I move on to subject 2 remark. Then I come to subject 2 rank, subject 2 rank. I have to move to subject 3. So I go down subject 3, 30, subject 3, 70, subject 3, 100, subject 3 grade. So you have to do that in that order. So subject 3 remarks comes, then subject 3 rank, like that. Let me bring so that I know the time that I'm using for me to know where I'm at. Okay, then you go to subject 4. Let me move this one here. Okay, so we go to subject 4. I need not to spend more than 30 minutes on one lesson. So subject 4, 30, subject 4, 70, just to get to it quickly. Subject 4, subject 4, 100. I'll do subject 4 grade. I'll do subject 4 rank. I'll do subject 4 remark. Then I'll just close it. cut, paste, I select, I'll cut. So I'll come to rank first, then I'll come and do the remark like that. Then I'll come to subject 5, so I'll just click on it instead of having to scroll through. So subject 5, so I'll do subject 5, 30, 70, 100, grade, rank, remarks. Then I just come in here, the same process. I'll cut, I'll paste, cut, I'll come do the pasting, cut, and do the pasting, cut, and do the pasting. Okay, so remark should be here, then the rank should go to the next field like that. Then you come to subject 6, so that's what you're supposed to do. So subject 6, 30, versus 70, subject 6, 100, subject 6, grade, subject 6, remark, subject 6, rank. Okay, so what I need to do is I'll just have to cut this, paste, cut this, paste, cut this, paste, cut this, paste, then I'll do same for this, and I'll paste. So we go to subject 7. So you see it follows a particular pattern. So if you don't develop it very well at the beginning stages, when you get to this particular point, you'll be found wanting. So the grade, the remarks comes before the rank. Okay. Before we go and do that for the cumulative record. So it's like that. Really not difficult to understand. But if you have any issues, you just let me know. Then I will help you out. Okay, then we go to subject 8. So I go through subject 8. So if you use a different naming system, you wouldn't have what I have here. So try to stay with me. Remarks and the rank. Okay, so subject 8. And I believe you know why we are using subject sub 1, sub 2, because that can easily be replaced on our terminal reports template. Okay, so we move in that order. Okay, so we're done with the rank. Then we move to subject 9. Subject 9, 30, subject 9, 70, subject 9, 100, subject 9, grade, subject 9, remarks comes first, and finally the rank. Okay. So I'm going to cut this off, bring this one in, cut, paste, cut, paste, cut, paste, paste. And we've got subject 10. 30, 70, 100. We have the grade. Remarks comes before the rank. Yes. So what I need to do is just to cut this, then paste. Cut, paste. Cut, paste. Cut, paste. Cut, and paste. So finally we come to subject 11. So subject 11, 30, I will insert. I'll do the 70, I'll do the 100, I'll do the grade, I'll do the remarks first, then I'll come and do the rank. Okay. So I'll cut this, paste, cut, paste, cut, paste, cut, paste, cut, and paste. Yes. So once we finish, this is for the terminal report. And we need to create other columns for class teacher's remark. I don't know if we did that. Let me go through the list to see if we did that for class teacher's remark. No, we did not. So we need to add that to our system. It will be done in Excel. So, okay, I'll come in here and do it for the name. So I come to name for the cumulative record. So I'll select date of birth. I'll come to date admitted, which is the admission date. Then we need to have the gender, which we don't have, so we need to find a way of incorporating it into our Excel worksheet. The nationality, so okay, nationality is there. Okay. So I don't want to go beyond 20 minutes. We are about 2 minutes to the top of we finishing this particular lesson. So I'll end here and continue in our next lesson, which will be lesson 19, where we do the same thing we did for our terminal report. We'll do the same for the cumulative record. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Make sure you save your work. Once it's saved, I'll meet you in the next lesson so that we continue. Thank you.